to talking. तू ठीक हुआ ना, आप ठीक हुआ ना. So every way actually, even if they won't say हुआ ना, it's not a literal writing how we practice talking. So तू ठीक हुआ, so that na is understood over there. And then second one, what you say? I'm fine. हम मजा में हैं. So this मजा में है, actually it can be related to हूँ मजा में छूँ. It is Gujarati. And in like you know, if you talk in Bengali, Bengali also they use this term. Okay, हम मजे में हैं. So what is your name? तोहार का नाम है. So actually तोहार का नाम है. It's a proper thing. But how do I ask? तोहार का नाम. You know, that's how the language goes.
Can it be other way around? तोहार नाम का.
Same.
It can be, right?
तोहार नाम का. See, like English, we don't have. If we talk, you know, English in a different way, it looks very different. I mean, you know, weird. But in Hindi and in any Indian languages, तोहर नाम का है और तोहर नाम का है तोहरा नाम. You know, you can
play with the words.
Juggle with the words. So my name is Arundhati. हमारा नाम अरुंधति है. हमारा नाम अरुंधति. So like that you can say. हमारा नाम अरुंधति. हमारा नाम अरुंधति. So same thing. Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो? तू कहाँ से हो? हा, like you know, it's not हवा, it's हा. तू कहाँ से हा? हम बैंगलोर से हैं. I'm from Bangalore. Then you know, I'm glad to meet you. How do we say this? तो से मिलकर अच्छा लगेगा. तो से मिलकर अच्छा लगेगा. Then I don't understand. हम किस समझ में नहीं आएगा. It means, see, everywhere interrogation also. हम के समझ में नहीं आए. If you say it as an imperative sentence, it has no meaning. So it has to have a question mark when you talk. So you will say, हम के समझ ना आएगा. Sorry, I was going there. Where was it? I don't understand. हम के समझ में ना आएगा. और I'm glad to meet you. तो से मिलकर अच्छा लगेगा. Now please speak a bit slowly. तनी धीरे बोला. It's a request. So you can't say तनी धीरे बोला. That becomes a command. So how do you request a person you're not able to understand? तनी धीरे बोला. Like you know. Or can you speak? It again depends on the intonation. How you want to say.
Can we just write that?
Previous one. I'll put it later. First let me finish and then I'll do it. Now do you speak Bhojpuri? One of you try the sentence. It's very written. How do you read this?
कातू भोजपुरी
बोलेला. कातू भोजपुरी बोलेला. See, again a question mark. Again say that.
कातू भोजपुरी बोलेला.
She got it right. Like you know, कातू भोजपुरी बोलेला. So can you speak Bhojpuri? I speak little. So tani bolele. Tani bolele. I speak a little. I can speak a little. How do you say sorry in Bhojpuri if you want to construct this sentence? तू भोजपुरी में हमके माफ करा कैसे बोलेला? Try one of you.
तो
भोजपुरी में हमका माफ करा कैसे बोलेला?
बोलेला. हाँ. Where is the school? पाठशाला किधर है? Like see, if you say किधर है, it becomes Hindi. So किधर है? Would you mind dancing with me? If a boy has to ask girl, this is very interesting for you. हमारे संग नाचबो? A boy will ask a girl like that.
Why would someone ask?
तुम हमारे संग नाचबो? So how the girl will ask? हमारे संग नाचबा? Nachba and nachibo, like you know, that's the difference.
Nachabo.
Anybody is copying that?
Yeah.
I think copying we can do.
Yeah, later.
Now, suppose you want to ask somebody, where did you come from? तो कहाँ से आइला हाँ we won't say, but while writing, see, written language is always different from spoken language, colloquial language. So one of you read the first sentence.
तू कहाँ से आइला?
Very good. See, he got the tone also. I love you.
हम तो से प्यार करेला.
हम भी तो से प्यार करेगा. It's Okay. Leave me alone.
हम
हमके अकेले छोड़ दा.
But how do you say this? What is the intonation here? See, speech is always about intonation and the feelings.
हम क्या अकेले छोड़ दा?
हमको अकेले छोड़ दा. Like, you know, you just leave me alone. Like you are desperate or you just don't want to get me. हमको अकेला छोड़ दा. You know, like you have to use the intonation there.
Can I?
Yeah.
एक या दुई भाषा कभू कफी ना होले होले and last one.
1 minute. One or two languages are never enough because this we are part of language club, so I thought of including this sentence. So how do you say this? The proper intonation for this will be एक या दो ही भाषा कब्बो काफे ना होले.
होले.
हाँ, कब्बी काफो ना होले. So try that.
एक या दो भाषा कभी काफी ना होली.
कभी
नहीं कब्बो. कब्बो काफे ना होले. Now, why did you bring that back? हाँ.
वो झोला लेके काहे आएगा?
आयला.
वो झोला लेके काहे आएला? काहे आएला? और वो झोला काहे लेके आएला बा? You can change again. These two words can be changed. लेके and काहे. Alright. Where do I go?
कहाँ जाइए?
हम कहाँ जाए? You know, if you have observed, how many of you have watched PK Amir Khan speak? Throughout he has spoken Bhojpuri. So this dialogue was raised from there. Where do I go? हम कहाँ जाए? Like, you know, the first question he asked himself when he's all left alone and all that. हम कहाँ जाए? So that was a sentence made from there.
How did you come?
How did you
Come.
come? Read somebody say this.
तू कैसे आयला?
तू कैसे आयला हा? How नहीं? तू कैसे आयला हा?
तू कैसे आयला?
That's understood. Like.
मराठी में बोलते.
Then, what did you do?
तू का कर देला?
तू का कर देला? अरे, what did you do? There is suppose something you messed up. तू का कर देला? This all says from American's movie. What can I do? हम का कर सके? What can I do?
कर सके.
हताश होके बोलना होता है.
सकीन.
सकी.
I go. If you want to say I go, how will you say?
हम जानी.
हम जानी.
हम जानी.
जानी also they don't say.
हम जा.
That's understood. हम जानी. Okay?
He goes.
How जाला.
How जाला.
He will go. Who जाए. He has written well in the examination. वो परीक्षा में अच्छा लिखलास.
How परीक्षा में अच्छा लिखलास.
लिखलास means Marathi has got a different meaning. Here, how परीक्षा में अच्छा लिखलास. Again, sir is very very silent and subtle here.
वो लोग.
Why are they late for the meeting?
वो लोग
बैठक
करता के देरी से आए.
काहे देरी से? See, there is again an introduction.
काहे देरी से?
वो लोग बैठक खातिर काहे देरी से है? So you are asking, you are annoyed. Why are they late for the meeting? Try this. Try this.
वो लोग बैठक खातिर काहे देरी से है?
Very good.
माता थोड़ा चेंज ना.
माता भोजपुरी बनता है.
भोजपुरी है ना.
बराबर. कल प्रैक्टिस किया ना घर पे.
Okay. Now you know what? Have a good day. Again, as I told you in Hindi or in
बढ़िया दिन रहा.
बढ़िया दिन रहा. तोरा बढ़िया दिन रहे. You know, you have a good day.
He wrote well in the exam.
He wrote well in.
Again.
This is a repetition.
He had written.
He had written.
वो खाई लगा.
He had
खाई लगा.
वो खाई ले बा.
वो खाई ले
Suppose you
बा.
ask, तू खाना खाई वो खाई ले बा. And I'm going to eat. He has eaten. So that.
He had gone. वो जा चुका ला. बा.
वो जा चुका ला. See again, who is one word you have to catch. जा is same as in Hindi. चुकेला बा. वो जा चुका है हम लोग बोलते हैं हिंदी में. इसको कैसे बोलेंगे? वो जा चुका ला. Certain things only. That's why easy to pick up any language.
गुजराती बात है दादी.
खाई.
Then he will eat. वो खाई.
वो खाई.
लेकिन वो खाई. He is going to eat.
तेरा नाम का
कहा.
तेरा नाम का. ये तो हमको पता है.
See, kaha we don't say again. It's a written thing again.
Kaha.
नाम का. Like kaha.
तेरा नाम का.
नाम.
तुम्हारा नाम का. If you are asking something.
तुम्हारा नाम का.
हाँ. What should I do?
हमके क्या करें?
हम
हमके
केक
का
काट
करे के
के
चाहिए व्हाट डू
हम
आई
केक
डू
काट
हमके का करे के चाहिए अगेन देयर इज काइंड ऑफ helplessness you are expressing through the sentence. It again the entire intonation changes adds beauty to language. If you are asking हमका का करे का चाहिए what should I do or if you are just talking it हमका का करे का चाहिए you are asking for command.
केक
You are helpless हमका का करे का चाहिए what should I do you know it's again beauty of the language.
इसके बारे में
का ही नहीं
Now okay now read this.
ये चीजें फेवरेट कर
पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा?
हाँ कौन सा हाँ नहीं बोले
कौन सा
तो हम लोग
तोरा पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा
रंग कौन सा हाँ is again
कौन सा?
word without saying.
Where did it come from?
Then
तो कहाँ से आया है
तू क्या शमशाद बेगम के जैसा What is this?
तू कहाँ से
आइला हाँ नहीं again.
कहाँ से आया है
आइला
आइला like you know not Marathi आइला.
Whom should I contact?
Then whom should I contact?
केकरे से हम
हाँ
केकरे
केकरा है वो कितना
हाँ
केकरा है केकरा
This is again from PK. आमिर खान said टेकरे से हम कांटेक्ट करें. I said but I said
टेकरे.
नहीं. I'll use a proper word. So
केकरे से हम संपर्क करें
How many apples are there in your hand?
हमारे हाथ में
हमरे हाथ
में कोगो सेब
कोगो सेब बा.
कोगो means
how many
how many how many did you take
Okay. How many did you take?
काऊ बोले हम
हाँ.
to cook around है हाँ
Now I if you want to say
हम.
it is हम. They never say mine.
है
ए हम आत है हम जात है हम means I.
हम सोते हैं हम बोलते
He or
हैं
she means how. How means he or
he
she.
she
how कैसा
Oh,
ना
बहुत बड़बड़ करेला बा.
Ma'am, what does this mean? Roshi, what did you say? What did you
हमरा हो चांस
What does that mean?
He knows. Like,
he knows हमारा हो
I told you last time why you are stuck on that. We even discussed
Yeah, exactly.
लगाइले lipstick also.
अरे वाह रे
You is two or up.
अब
You discussed it with her.
यार
Yes, of course.
ओ नहीं
Oh. How do I go back? We should listen to last. Okay. Now suppose if
Shrey sounds so funny. हमरा
you know what? If you
Whoa.
really
थोड़ा
want
चाहिए
to. Last but one.
घर जाके सो जाओ
I don't know. Would you mind dancing? Huh?
what is that
Okay, now see the last. This is the last slide. What I made for
E.
you.
Ow.
It means E.
हमारे सामने बच्चों में
Ow means come. Came means Ayla.
Ayla.
वो Ayla बा. He
आयला
came.
बा
Or she came. Will come. हम आई. I'm coming. You know.
वेलकम
I'm
Or
mother
I will come.
He slept.
The whole night.
रात भर हूँ सुताला बा
रात भर सुतल रहा.
सुतल रहा बा
सुतल रहा.
सुतल
What
रहा.
means का? Is means
हाँ.
Yours.
Thought.
Toha.
तो
I can
थोड़
put the slides for you to later on
So, just go
check, write down. But suppose you have to see how to learn a language. There is
Let's
nothing
talk
very
in
difficult.
Bhojpuri.
Even the popular songs and all that you can try to convert in whatever language you want to
Then-
learn. Suppose
Ek
you want
second.
to sing Lungi dance in Bhojpuri, how are you going to sing?
What is lungi?
रुका
Lungi dance, Chennai
What is
Express
lungi?
song.
Lungi, what is
हाँ, अभी छोड़ दे छोड़ दे
How will you use this?
Dance करत बा
Not that way. What is the first line of the song?
Mucho God.
यहाँ से कुछ बैलेंस कर दो तो ये दिखता नहीं
Truck of
Anybody
गोल
wants to try?
के
मुझो को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा
घुमा
के
के।
रख द लाइन
मुझवन को थोड़ा गोल घुमाई के अन्ना का जैसन चश्मा
लगाई के कोकोनट नहीं कोकोनट में लस्सी मिलाई के लस्सी मिलाई के आ जाओ सब मूड बनाई के
आयल आओ रजनी फैन तलैवा
Yeah, it's there in South India. Real.
Don't you miss that
And
chance?
Bhojpuri.
So we can say फिर ना मिले ये chance. So I hope you enjoyed.
Yes.
We will put a slide and you can write down whatever you want.
Thank you.